This month, Amazon transforms Shiba Inu into a $2 giant. For the last 2 weeks, the price of Shiba Inus has been trending downward, which investors anticipated to be corrections before a rise. But a major indication suggests that the meme currency may be headed towards disappointing its investors. We'll speak about how Amazon this month turned Shiba Inu into a $2 giant in this video. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. With the price of the Shiba Inu at $0.92, it is unable to break above the downward trend line and has been trapped behind since the beginning of December. The meme coin originally appeared on the charts as a downtrend line when it retreated after testing the 100-day exponential moving average as resistance. Conversely, throughout the same time frame, the relative strength index has been rising. The indicator formed an uptrend line after rising from the oversold area below $30 and continuing to move upward towards the neutral line at $50. The emergence of a possible hidden bearish divergence is seen when the price action and RSI movement are combined. The price of Shiba Inus may drop throughout the course of the next trading sessions if this trend holds. This would cause the meme currency to drop below the crucial support level of $0.879, which would be the altcoin's 2-month low. Should this support go, SHIB will drop even lower to its December 2023 lows, indicating a 25% decline in the value of the coin. For investors who recently amassed more than 43 trillion SHIB tokens in a single week, this would prove to be very loss-bearing. Token supply on exchanges has decreased by more than $475.5 million. I appreciate you seeing. In general, a decrease in supply indicates the beginning of a short-term accumulation tendency. This decrease might also indicate that owners of SHIB tokens are transferring their holdings to cold wallets and removing them from exchanges. The likelihood of the same, however, is slim given that no one saw this kind of decline even when FTX fell 4 months ago. The action by Shiba Inu holders is unexpected given that just this week, the network had its worst losses since June 2021. The total amount of coins transferred on-chain revealed losses of around $575 million SHIB, or less than $62,000, but on-chain indicates considerable losses. In the event that the bearish divergence materializes and the price of Shiba Inu drops to the lows of December 2023, SHIB investors will contribute even more to the network's severe losses. The protocol, according to the team behind Shiba Inu's new Layer 2 scaling solution, seeks to enable speedy and affordable transactions. Shibarium, which released its beta version earlier this month, intends to create a protocol that costs negligible, if not zero, transaction fees in order to achieve genuine decentralization, according to newly released public documents. Developer Satoshi Kazama of Shiba Inu Lee claims that Shibarium would provide minimal transfer rates for any project based on the Layer 2 protocol, with the aim of processing transactions in less than a penny in a matter of seconds. Known as the blockchain of the people, Shibarium aims to evolve into a scalable, transparent, and safe network that serves as the foundation for future initiatives. The blockchain makes sure that creating and exchanging digital assets is transparent and safe. It also acts as a foundation for the creation of decentralized apps, or dApps, such as Shib, the Metaverse, Shib.io, and Shiba Eternity, as well as a number of additional platforms, initiatives, and services for the larger Shiba Inu community. Further information on the burning process of Shibarium is also provided by the public documents. According to the paper, the burn mechanism will activate when a certain quantity of bone SHIBASWAP is accumulated by the procedure. On Shibarium, this token will be utilized to pay petrol costs. The basic fee is locked on a Shibarium contract when a user completes a transaction on the network, and the validator receives the priority fee. 30% of this basic charge will be put aside for network maintenance, while the remaining 70% will be incinerated. Users may begin the burn process from Shibarium after a certain quantity of bone, $25,000, has been acquired in the burn contract. Shiba Inu's price is at $0.11, down slightly over the last day. The price of the Shiba Inu has decreased by 0.5% over the last day, hitting $0.10,054 on a day when the market has not moved much overall. Its current price at $0.100 is 8% higher than its 30-day low. In addition, the meme token has increased by a staggering 30% since the year's beginning. After the Shibarium Layer 2 network's beta launch was finished earlier this month, Shib seems poised to improve on its previous growth in the next weeks, especially after the L2's full public debut. Based on recent declines in its 30-day moving average and relative strength index, Shib signs point to a potential soon-to-be rebound. After hitting 30 earlier in the month when it hit oversold levels, its RSI had now increased to 40. In a similar vein, the cryptocurrency is about to have a bounce when its 30-day average crosses below its 200-day average. Currently, $0.11 is a significant resistance level for Shib, which it has failed to cross several times in the last few weeks. More increases are definitely in store if it can decisively break through this level, but Shib will probably need the broader market to stage a concurrent comeback as well. Nevertheless, Shibarium's continuous rollout, it's now in beta, could indicate that the token will soon see more benefits, especially once the Layer 2 network launches to the general public. There are two specific reasons to be optimistic on Shibarium. One is technical, and the other is economic. First off, Shiba Inu's capacity will be increased and transaction costs will be reduced via the Layer 2 network, boosting decentralization and strengthening security. Second, 70% of the basic transaction fee will be destroyed with the launch of the L2, increasing Shiba Inu's burn rate. Put another way, the shortage of ships caused by Shibarium will increase relative demand and the price of the currency. Shibarium's efficiency improvements will draw more people to the Shiba Inu ecosystem and its applications, increasing the effect of burns and driving up the price of Shib. Accordingly, the price of Shib may rise gradually over the course of the year, a process that will be aided by the introduction of Shib, the metaverse. In the latter, players may buy, explore, and exchange 100,595 NFT-based territories, in addition to a vast array of in-game commodities. It is a virtual world with a Shiba Inu motif. The platform's official website describes it as the future of gaming, entertainment, and commerce all wrapped into one, and its team has huge plans for it. When paired with Shibarium, it may signal a significant surge in demand for Shib, which may accelerate and reach new heights. In fact, Shib will probably reach $0.15 and $0.02 on its own thanks to Shibarium, and by the end of the year, it may reach even greater levels like $0.05 or even $0.01 thanks to Shib's impending entry in the metaverse. By the end of 2024, there is much anticipation for Amazon's entry into the NFT and Web3 spaces. According to sources, the internet giant is getting ready to unveil its new project next month. Approximately 15 collections are anticipated to be accessible on the Amazon Digital Marketplace page starting on March 24th, according to sources. According to the article, at debut, this tab will only be accessible to U.S. citizens. However, over time, it will become accessible to everyone worldwide, including those in Europe. According to reports, the debut has been delayed twice because of recent industry changes, such as FTX's bankruptcy. Notably, the software code for Amazon's planned Web3 endeavor is not publicly accessible due to its non-open source nature. According to the article, NFTs may only be bought with a credit card and via an Amazon account. A private blockchain incompatible with the Ethereum virtual machine was Amazon's technological decision. Citing a source with knowledge of the situation, the report stated, "It will be necessary to utilize a bridge for developers that want to make their NFTs accessible on Amazon's blockchain." We're done for today. Remember to give the channel a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to see our most recent videos.